Hi there. In this video, I'm going to go over creating a layout element in our Elements module. For the purpose of this video, I'll need to activate both the Elements module and the Disable Elements module. Once I do that, I can head over to the Elements dashboard and click Add New. We'll choose the layout type. So this might look a little bit familiar. When you add a singular page or a singular post or any sort of singular post type, you might have used the layout meta box inside of GeneratePress. We have the same options here, where we can choose the sidebar layout, we can choose how many footer widgets display, we can disable elements, and we can choose the container, which is usually good for page builders. So this is great because one, we can reach areas that the layout meta box couldn't reach or can't reach. And we can also apply these to various areas throughout our site all at once instead of going through every single page and changing them. So as an example here, let's add a category layout. So before, categories obviously don't have a layout meta box, so we couldn't change the sidebar layout on a specific category archive without using some sort of function. Let's go ahead and add a left sidebar, maybe 2 widgets, and we'll apply this to our post category archive. We can do all categories or we can choose a specific one. So let's save that and go take a look at our test category. We have a left sidebar and 2 widgets. What's cool here as well is you can actually change up layouts depending on whether a user is logged in or logged out. So let's go ahead and add another one here. Let's say we're using a page builder and we don't want to have to get rid of the content title, change the sidebar layout, and change the container on every single page that we create. So we'll say page builder layout up here. We want no sidebars. We don't want a content title. And we want them to be full width. Now we can go into display rules and we'll add this to every single page because every single page on our site is going to be using a page builder. Now, if at some point you don't want to use a page builder for a specific page, you can just come into here to exclude and exclude that one page. So if we save that, now we'll go take a look at our page builder page. Here's our page builder. You can see there's no content title, there's no sidebar, and we have a full width layout here. Now if we go back and we set this to draft, you can see what it looked like before we did this. So you can see this can save us a lot of clicks, especially if you're adding a lot of pages over time. So let's do one more. Let's add a new layout. And let's say we want to disable the header on a specific page. We can go to disable header, display rules, or maybe not even the page. Maybe we just want to disable the header on our blog. And maybe we only want to disable it for logged in users. So if we publish this and I go to my blog, since I'm logged in, the header should no longer show. Now I can do it the other way around. I can disable it only for logged out users, or I can just disable it altogether. You can see here that there's tons of options and tons of possibilities that you can achieve using the layout element. Of course, if you have any questions, we're always happy to help in our support forum.